This instructional video shows how to set up the TCIM for correct operation. Required tools include, but may not be limited to the following: tape measure, level. Verify the TCIM is on its own individual dedicated electrical circuit. Verify the power supply matches the nameplate and rating labels. Verify there is gasket, foam tape between the ice machine and the ice storage bin. Verify the TCIM is secured to the storage bin or dispenser. Mounting brackets come with the storage bin or dispenser. Verify the ice machine is level, front to back and side to side. Verify the water supply. Must be 20 to 100 psig. Must be 35 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Minimum 3/8 inch ID piping, stainless steel braided recommended. Check for leaks. Verify the drain piping for the TCIM, storage bin or dispenser, and water-cooled condenser coil, if applicable. Minimum 3/4 inch ID piping, hard piping recommended. All drains must run separately and be properly vented. The vertical vents must extend up 8 to 10 inches. Note: venting is critical to TCIM operation. There must be a 2-inch minimum vertical air gap between the drain line ends and the floor drain. Drain lines must have 1/4 inch fall per 12 inches of horizontal run. Check for leaks. Power the TCIM. Press the menu gear. Press the globe icon. If needed, change the language. Set the time format and time. Set the date format and date. If needed, change the unit of measure. Press back to return to the settings menu. In the settings menu, press TOF. Select the appropriate preset value. If none of the preset options match your application, choose level 8, custom setup. Measure the distance in centimeters between the bottom of the storage bin or dispenser and the top. Change the EBD value to the measurement. Press back to return to the settings menu. In the settings menu, press water filter. Select the appropriate water filter: standard 14,000 gallon capacity, platinum 35,000 gallon capacity, custom. If none of the preset options match your application, choose custom. Adjust the water filter capacity to match your water filter's rating. Press back to return to the settings menu. Verify the modem is wired correctly. Green and yellow to TEC, white and brown to power. Verify the antenna is installed correctly. Verify the modem's indicator lights flash. On the home screen, verify the remote monitoring icon is green. On the home screen, press Make Ice. The TCIM will start in the startup sequence. Let the TCIM run through its startup sequence. Check for alerts or alarms. When the TCIM passes its startup sequence self-test, it will begin the ice-making process. Let the TCIM make at least one batch of ice. Check for water leaks, alarms, alerts, etc., and address any issues. Sanitize the TCIM and storage bin or dispenser per sanitization instructions. See the installation manual, instruction sticker, or the TCIM descale and sanitize video.